Retractable tonneau covers have evolved from basic weather shields to advanced cargo protection systems that blend security, durability, and practical daily usability. For truck owners, a retractable design can offer independent bed access, high security locks, and a low-profile aesthetic without the bulk of folding covers.
List number 1. Cinetic-Cusa MB Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. Fits 2004 to 2026 Ford F-150 5 feet 6 or 67 inches truck bed waterproof accessories. This Ford F-150 specific retractable hard tonneau cover employs an aluminum canister with a textured or low-profile finish, dual side locks, and integrated dust and waterproof seals. It supports up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight and emphasizes UV-resistant low-profile aesthetics. Drainage tube installation is required to channel water away, a common requirement for sealed bed systems. The design focuses on a vehicle-specific fit, a robust locking system, and a relatively broad compatibility window across model years. Performance and use. In real-world use, the dual lock system adds a clear layer of theft protection, while the retractable mechanism, aided by a durable aluminum construction, provides smooth operation. The weight rating, 500 pounds, is favorable for hauling heavy loads, but the presence of a weight rating and drainage requirement necessitates attention to installation quality and periodic maintenance of seals. The low-profile appearance minimizes visual bulk and reduces wind drag, though the 90-pound weight and 65 by 16 by 15-inch footprint imply a substantial installation footprint and potential handling considerations during install or removal. Practical use cases include nightly cargo protection, long-haul trips with tools secured, and weather-sensitive loads due to the integrated seals.
List number 2. Cinetic-Cusa MB Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover fits Silverado Sierra 1500 5'8", 69.9-inch truck bed waterproof accessories. A Silverado Sierra 1500 specific retractable cover with a 5'8" bed featuring double side locks, dust and water seals, and a 500-pound weight capacity. It highlights a unique spiral track system within the canister to reduce abrasion on the retractable element and maintain smooth operation. The design emphasizes a low-profile matte black finish and overall durability. Performance and use. The spiral track system is a notable engineering detail that can translate to longer-term durability and smoother retraction cycles, especially under dust and weather exposure. With a 500-pound capacity, it remains versatile for various cargo configurations, including heavier tools and equipment. The drainage tube requirement is consistent with other Cinetic-Cusa retractables, and the dual lock system provides strong deterrents against unauthorized access. The product benefits from a vehicle-specific fit, ensuring alignment with bed rails and tailgate geometry for reliable sealing.
List number 3. Cinetic-Cusa MB Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover fits Dodge Ram 1500 5 feet 7 inches, 67.4 inches truck bed waterproof accessories. Ram 1500 specific retractable cover with a 67.4-inch bed featuring dual side locks, dust and water seals, and 500-pound weight capacity. The design blends a low-profile aluminum aesthetic with UV protection and a retractable mechanism designed for ease of use. It excludes Ram box and certain Ram multifunction tailgate configurations, aligning with typical Ram 1500 layouts. Performance and use. The Ram Fit approach mirrors other Cinetic-Cusa products, emphasizing robust locking and weather sealing. The ability to stop and lock the cover at intermediate positions is a practical benefit for partial load scenarios. The combination of aluminum construction and UV protection ensures resistance to sun exposure, while the drainage requirement supports reliable water management. With 65 by 16 by 15 inches in packaging and similar weight, installation remains a two-person task for secure mounting, though the lightweight nature of the single-panel design aids handling compared to bulkier trifold setups.
List number 4. Cinetic-Cusa MR Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover fits Silverado Sierra 2500 HD, 3500 HD, 6'8", 82.2-inch truck bed waterproof accessories. A heavy-duty option for 2500, 3500 HD pickups with a 6'8" bed featuring a retractable design, double side locks, T-slot side rails for accessory expansion, and a 500-pound weight rating. The MR line emphasizes a more rugged, farm fleet-ready capability while maintaining a low-profile finish and weather-sealing integration. Performance and use. The T-slot rails extend cargo versatility by enabling add-ons such as racks or crossbars sold separately, which is advantageous for contractors or fleet users who need modular storage. The bed cover uses powder-coated aluminum for durability and a drip-free weather-protective seal. The drainage system and double-lock mechanism contribute to security and reliability in challenging climates. Its 82.2-inch length requires careful mounting alignment, yet the high weight capacity supports a wide range of loads without compromising the cover's operation.
List number 5. Retractable hard tonneau cover fits Dodge Ram 2500, 3500 truck bed. No fit with Ram box or step-side model. Multifunction split tailgate, Ram 2500. Flow-K2's Ram 2500 or 3500 model uses a standing seam aluminum slat system with a lockable retraction mechanism, drainage, and an integrated sealing system. It claims a 600-pound weight capacity and emphasizes a flush, low-profile appearance with a nearly seamless side height profile. The setup uses a clamping install, no drilling, and highlights ease of one-handed operation with a robust, all-aluminum build. Performance and use. The 600-pound maximum load is a standout versus typical 500-pound specs, offering additional headroom for heavy equipment or bulk cargo. The standing seam slats design improves theft resistance and water intrusion protection, while the drainage and sealing system help keep the bed dry even during aggressive washing or heavy rain exposure. The clamp-based installation simplifies mounting, but Flow-K2 notes a more complex setup for a true flush finish, given the need to align with Ram's bed geometry and tailgate latch. Users should consider annual seal checks and occasional retightening of clamps to maintain a consistent seal.